Hey, this is Kevin with Virtual Tech. Make sure you like and subscribe all our videos. We really need the support. We're trying to grow our channel. Hopefully this helps you. We'll be releasing more videos soon. The Windows 10 automatic repair. So if you have any boot loop issues, driver issues, Windows update issues, or registry issues, we're going to go ahead and try to resolve that with Windows 10 automatic repair. I'm going to be first showing you how to go ahead and access the Windows 10 automatic repair and use it properly through the desktop. If all else fails, I will show you how to do that through the BIOS. So make sure you follow along closely as we get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to hit the Start menu. Then you're going to go ahead and click where it says Settings. All right, so once that loads up, you're going to go ahead and scroll down, go to Update and Security. Go ahead and click that. All right, so that should open up the Update and Security window. I want you to go all the way down to Recovery and click that. All right, so where you see where it says Advanced Startup, you're going to be clicking where it says Restart underneath that. Go ahead and allow it to restart your computer. Once you've restarted your system, I want you to go down where it says Troubleshoot. Go ahead and click that. You should have a couple options there. Go ahead and click where it says Advanced Options. Go ahead and click that. Should give you a couple options there. Go ahead and click where it says Start Up Repair. All right, it should start running automatic repair. It's going to ask you to choose your username. Just choose your username. Yours will be different. Go ahead and click that. Then it's going to ask you to enter your password. If you have a password, enter in. If not, just go ahead and click Continue. Okay, so now Windows is attempting to repair your system, obviously allowed to do its thing. Now my system's already in good standing, so it's not going to come up with anything. Now they also allow you to capture the log file. So say for instance you need to go to a form, you can just go to that specific location that it specifies, D drive, Windows, whatever it specifies for you. If you want to upload the log file of what's wrong with your system to a form for additional assistance. In the meantime, I'm going to show you some additional options. If that doesn't work, go ahead and click where it says Advanced Options. All right, and again, you're going to go in where it says Troubleshoot. Go ahead and click that now. All right, then you're going to go back into where it says Advanced Options. All right, so we have a variety of options here to select from. System Restore is going to allow you to roll your PC back to a previous state in which it worked. That's a more light option. The System Image Recovery, that's a more heavy-duty option if you want to restore your computer back to from an image. That's going to restore your computer back to factory settings. Startup Repair, we already talked about that. Then, of course, they have Command Prompt and Startup Settings and go back to previous build. All right, I'm going to show you also how to get to this screen that you're looking at now in the event that you can't get to the recovery memory through your desktop. You're having to go through the CD. So what I'm going to do is show you how to do that. Go ahead and click the back button. Once you hit the back button, it's going to say Reset PC. Now, if you do the Reset PC option, this is going to basically wipe all your files. So this is a pretty dramatic approach. Go ahead and press back, and then you're going to click where it says Turn Off PC. Make sure your USB drive or your Windows disk is in the drive. Press any key to load that up. Once you get to the screen here, it's going to say to specify an advanced option for this choice, press F8. So go ahead and press F8. All right, so once you get to this stage here, it's going to have a variety of options. Go ahead and press where it says F10. Once you press F10, it's going to have an additional option. You're going to go ahead and press 1 on your keyboard, Launch Recovery Environment. All right, so once that's done, it's going to load up like normal. Remember, you're doing this through the CD method, and you're back where you started. So this is how to do it through the CD method. You can click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options again, and then do a Startup Repair to go ahead and try to fix the computer. All right, that's pretty much it. If you have any further questions, please text our number. Be sure to subscribe and like our videos as we need the support. We're building our channel. Please don't just watch the content without subscribing. We really need your support. Thanks and have a good one.
Thanks for visiting our channel. Virtual Tech's mission statement is to assist as many YouTubers as possible in addressing their Mac, PC, and mobile device issues. We actually respond to the text messages we receive. So if you have any nagging questions relating to computer or mobile device issues, please text Tech Issue to 818-732-9142, and we will promptly release a video on our channel with your question addressed. If you want us to keep providing free content, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and like our videos. You can also donate to our channel by looking in the YouTube description of all our videos. If you would like to join our team in creating video content, text Content Creator Job, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, and enjoy our content.